Shania, son of Mahendra, and I would like to explain about our idea today. These are self-recharging smart floors. This idea of ours is named ENER-STEP because it creates energy from steps. Our idea will create electricity from the people walking, so we will like to apply this idea in places that have a lot of crowd. For example, malls, factories, because in factories, machinery and people are walking, the kinetic energy is wasted on the ground. So we like to absorb the energy on the ground and then convert it into electricity to light up the place.
Hello everyone, I'm Tarvin. I'm from LAN 3B. So now I'm going to explain about process of self-charging smart floors. So the first process will be layer the tiles. Okay, there are four types of tiles. On the top layer it would be anti-slip wear layer. Anti-slip wear layer means it would be a rough surface, so it can avoid people or machines slip on the floor. Okay, the second layer would be PVDF film with electrodes. Basically we use it for convert the energy to electricity by using the PVDF film with electrodes. Okay, the third layer would be soft cushion layer, or we can tell in the term of PDMS. Okay, PDMS is polydimethyl siloxane. Okay, it is a silicone that would avoid electricity spread on the surface. Okay, so to avoid the people electrocute lah. So the base layer or the fourth layer will be a backing plate with small circuit board. Okay, the small circuit board under every tiles will be connected to each other, so we can produce more electricity and store it inside the storage. Okay, so before that we should wire the PVDF. Okay, how we wire the PVDF? Connect firm leads to the circuit and combine several PVDF in series mode. Okay, we have to combine all the PVDF in series mode so we can transfer the current to the generator. Once PVDF all already set in the series mode, we will use a rectifier, the power rectifier. It can use the energy and convert into alternative current. So the alternative current later turn into direct current, which is DC. Okay, so the DC current, which is the direct current, will be straight away stored inside the storage, okay, or the generator. So we can use the stored electricity for emergency purpose, or we can share it to other surrounding areas, those who need electrics. Okay, it can use full for emergency purpose.
Hi guys, my name is Arjun, and now we are going to see about the benefit of our product. Firstly, it ensures continuous clean energy from everyday human movement. Secondly, it is eco-friendly because it reducing reliance on fossil fuels and directly supporting unsustainable development goals such as SDG 7, affordable and clean energy, SDG 9, industry and innovation, SDG 13 that are for climate action. Thirdly, the system requires minimal operation. It is because once it installed, our product is durable and long-lasting because of our materials. Lastly, it also helps to increase energy awareness as people become conscious about their movement can contribute to the electricity generation. Next, for the system to work safely, several safety precautions are needed. The first safety precaution of our product is the top surface of the floor should be have a non-slip texture to prevent accident in crowded or wet areas. The second is the panel must be routinely inspected and tested to maintain performance safety. Since the PVDF tiles and circuit could be affected by the moisture or wet areas, they must be coated with waterproof and insulated protective layers. Lastly, the electric component should include fuses or circuit breakers to prevent overloading and reduce the risk of fire or shock.
The SDGs that are involved in our idea is 7, 9 and 13, which are affordable and clean energy, industry, innovation and infrastructure, and climate action.
So, as a conclusion, our product, self-charging, smart flow, combine innovation, sustainable and safety. They represent a practical solution for future smart cities and workplace. It reduces environmental impact while promoting a culture of grey energy use to our people. That's all from us. Thank you.